This is Driftbin, my budget AU Falcon drift car. I picked this thing up for $6,000, gave it a little JDM taste with an S15 bumper, and then got it wrapped in the brightest green I could find so that it matched lump stick. And now today, we're gonna take things a step further and make this sound like something that it's not, a Toyota Supra. We're gonna rip off the old exhaust, completely straight pipe it, and install these headers to make it sound like a 2JZ. Don't think I can do it? Well, at the end of the video, I'm gonna be comparing it side by side with a straight piped Mark IV Supra. So can I make this cheap Aussie family stand sound like an exotic Japanese car? Or is it just gonna sound like a wet fart? Let's f around and find out. Headphone users, this is your first and final warning. Also, before we begin, I just got a warehouse and I got something exciting to show you real quick. So when I first revealed Driftbin at an event earlier this year, we took her out onto the track, did some skids, and I got a little bit silly and left her on limiter until she got really, really hot and then died. I then didn't want to deal with the consequences of my actions, so she was then left to sit for months collecting dust, almost forgotten, until now, where I needed her for another video. So we managed to get her started again after jumping the dead battery, but I discovered the ungrateful little has developed a nasty ticking noise, probably from running so hot and then for sitting for so long. Fixing this issue correctly is well above my pay grade, so for now we've just topped up the oil with this magic liquid, which is going to turn this mechanical disaster into a later me problem. I then gave her an extensive garden hose detail before getting her on the road to her brand new home. Oh, you're fucking... Oh! Just fucking broke. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new base of operations featuring Mr. Yorak Hunt.
What'd you call me?
So Yorak and I have teamed up and we have gotten an entire warehouse where over the next couple of months we're going to be transforming into the ultimate content space and workshop where we can work on our stuff and film videos for you lot on YouTube. As you can see, Driftbin has made it here in one piece. It didn't explode, it didn't die. Lumstick's sitting comfy in the corner. The two of them are reunited together again. And we've got the
Beastos.
Yes.
Made it here in one piece.
We've already put the dog to good use and Yorak's been able to go up there and explore the uncharted territories of our dodgy roof foundation, so.
They've also left a nice abundance of asbestos and old lights up there for us to have fun with.
We've obviously got a lot to do. You know, we're gonna paint the walls. We want to put some shelving in. We want to get some toolboxes and stuff set up.
If anyone's out there, you've got some cool stuff. The address is... And just come knock on the...
No. Anyway, we've got a couple of things that we need to do. So before we jump into fitting this magical bit on the AU, we're gonna run down, go grab some shelving. Yeah, we'll roll the B-roll if you want to do a little fist bump. Driftbin has successfully made it down to JS Performance, where I'm here today with Tali, who's going to be welding in a beautiful stainless 3-inch straight pipe all the way down the back of Driftbin here.
And we're going to be fitting up these bad boys.
Yes.
What'd you say? Something about 2J?
Yes, so we're going to be getting this thing to sound like a 2JZ, hopefully. My good friends over at AU House have sent me these Pacemaker 4480s, which we're going to be fitting up. These have a special configuration, which is going to get us that note to sound more like a Japanese supercar, hopefully. We'll fit these up, smack on a 3-inch straight pipe and see how she sounds. Shout out AU House, your one-stop shop for all your AU Falcon stuff. Their link is in the description. Don't be a tight ass.
Boom, your bitch, your bitch, as I creep up in your mind.
It didn't take long to find our first issue on Australia's finest lemon. Dude, why can I see the pins?
Mate, that's mint. That's how they come from factory.
That is how they come from factory. Snip, snip. See ya. Ooh.
Show us.
That's a good looking plug. At least it's not going to come apart anytime soon.
It's good, mate. It still ran.
Yeah. All these bolts are nice and tight, especially the ones that are missing.
What do you mean?
Uno, dos, tres.
Didn't know you could count that high, mate.
Only in Spanish.
Good thing these come with a set of brand new bolts.
Show us your bolts, mate. What have you got? Oh, pristine.
Correction, they weren't missing. They were holding the heat shield in, which you removed.
You learn something AU every day. A new.
Shut the fuck up. If anyone here is a talented painter and would like to put a beautiful mural on the underside of this bonnet, comment down below or hit me up on Instagram. I'm open for it.
I reckon chuck the Iron Lion up there. Just piss everyone off. Oof. It's a rusty boy. See if we can't get this out without taking that throttle cable off. Oh, well, I can easily just pull that 10mm off, but I don't want to. Oh, there's a good chance I'm gonna have to.
Well, I think you got to take the steering thingo out to get the next set in because they wrap around it.
Oh, do they?
So, yeah.
Well, regardless, right now I've got to undo that 10mm. Should give us the space, hopefully.
You been manifolding long, mate?
Yeah, not long enough.
There we go, it's a boy.
Rusty.
These are a set of pacemakers. They once upon a time were blue as well, but they're no longer blue now.
Yeah, not blue anymore.
So my mate Pagan installed these and said you need to disconnect the combobulator so that it fits through, because otherwise you won't get it around.
Really? Why does it look like it'll go?
Well, off you go then, smartass. Fucking put it in.
I don't want to get proven wrong on video when he said that he's tried it before. It looks like it'll go in.
Then put it in.
Oh, fuck. My icrometer's probably going to be off on this one.
Your what?
My icrometer. My specialty measuring device, mate. I love how you're getting closer with the camera. Oh, well, look, you got to take a gamble for victory sometimes.
Yep.
I wonder how quickly I'll get proven wrong.
Oh.
Yeah, he might be right. He might be right. I apologise. I was wrong. I can admit when I was wrong, and it was this time. And only this time. Never wrong again.
Live and learn, champion.
You live and you don't learn. Muscles.
What'd you call me? By the way, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you here in Melbourne, August 15th, we're going to be at Friday Night Drifts at Calder Park, where I will be bringing down Lumpstick, Driftbin, meeting you lot, and judging a show and shine where the winner will be taking home a cash prize. There'll be a link in the description as to where you can get your tickets to go, so don't be a tight ass. Come and see the bucket of shit Driftbin. I'll sign stuff. I'll draw scribbles on your vapes and shit. It'll be good. Come down. So the combobulator's been disconnected. Oh, no. You wanna try fit the headers in again? Is your magnet gone?
Where's your magnet gone?
Just shake your hoodie, it'll fall out.
No, wait.
What?
Oh, didn't even have to twerk it out.
That's
Didn't even
freaky.
have to throw it back.
All right, anyway, combobulator's been disconnected, so you wanna try fit the headers in again, muscles?
Rolling heavy with a pistol, never lacking lead. Bullet through your fucking head, even will need to be fed.
The dog is on. I think it's time we do the traditional workshop startup without an exhaust.
I'm putting my earmuffs on.
This won't sound any good without the pipe. You need the 3-inch straightness for the resonation of the tubing of the pipe. So this will sound like dookie, but I just want to hear it anyway.
It'll sound like ass. Let's do it.
Idles well, just needs a bit of convincing. Yeah, she's cammed. Sounds healthy as.
Yeah, real healthy.
So now when the pipe is on, it'll sound like that, but a little less shit.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
2J.
Yep. Time for the straight pipe.
I hear you block up with the mask on my face, so slide up on my enemy, wrong time and wrong place, yo. Body's on the record if I ain't catching case, no. Sirens going off, but they ain't finding trace, no.
Charlie! You need to stop looking like a dork with your boring safeties and chuck on a pair of beautiful 2 Savage safety glasses, mate. Ooh. Give us an eye reveal. Wow.
Intact.
Your eyes aren't ruined. Oh. fuck? Now, it is not a Spotto video without a shout out to my boys over at 2 Savage. These things look great on everyone, even if you're ugly, like this guy. See, look at him.
What did he say?
He looks handsome. These things are durable and they are built to last. These come in all sorts of different colors and styles. You'll find something that suits you. Go check them out. The link is in the description and use code Spotto to save yourself 10% off along with free shipping. So don't be a tight ass. Buy some sunnies.
All right, I've got my first bends and then we'll send that bad boy all the way to the back of the car and get into it.
Causing havoc with the motherfucking automatic. I have had it with these stupid motherfuckers. Come and grab it. I am done. Where you coming from? Better start your run. Beat for bullets, trees and guns. Spray and pray, a lot of fun. Why are you so fucking greedy? Keeping evil from the needy. Slit your throat and keep you bleeding. All your fucking help is needed. I'ma keep on slicing this. Show my blade, you start to piss. Keep on laughing, it could happen to you, you motherfucker.
Alrighty, headers are in, 3-inch straight pipe, also in. Big shout out to Tali here from JS Performance for making this happen. Make sure you chuck him a follow. So we're gonna start this up. We're gonna go get it back to my warehouse where we're gonna be comparing them. The straight pipe 2J to the straight pipe intake. All right, let's see if this thing starts or if we need to jump the battery again. I'm just gonna give it some revs so that the car doesn't die. It doesn't like to idle when it's cold. Wow!
Not bad. It'll sound different when it's not bouncing off the wall too.
Wow! Mate, this sounds good!
Not bad.
Oh, she died.
It sounds good.
Sounds brilliant, man. Fuck! Just need to get the prick to idle now. Get this back to the secret headquarters and, yeah. With the 3-inch stainless straight pipe and the pacemaker 4480 headers installed, this thing sounds like an exotic Japanese car. But for those of you who aren't quite getting the idea, as promised, I have here a Toyota Supra with a 2JZ, so I can show you guys a side-by-side comparison of how the sounds compare. This is how a naturally aspirated straight pipe 2JZ sounds. Now this is how Driftbin sounds! Holy fuck! Whoa. Very impressed. Now, another big shout out to AU House for sending us the pacemaker 4480s and JS Performance for helping us weld in this beautiful stainless straight pipe exhaust. Don't be a tight ass. Both of their details in the description.